So we are now here at the Birding Lake, which is one of the most sacred areas here in Bumthang.
Chili
Wow,
cheese.
more chili.
Dry red cheese. Chili.
So you put it like that, swipe once, and then swipe another one. And I think they throw it also in the hole. We are at the Swiss cheese factory, and I'm here with my alcohol-loving friends, and we're gonna try 2 different drinks. We are here at the Ogyen Choling house, and you can see this is how the rich people live in the past. So the facade has maintained its color, so those are the original colors. The first 2 floors are used for storing grains, and then the next 2 floors were used as living space. And then the attic was used to store meat. So this room used to be the storage of their grains. And if you can see, this is like a square room space, and there is a hole up there. So they will bring up all of the grains to the 2nd floor, and then they will start pouring through that hole. And then this room will be filled with grains. And if you just close the door, there's a small opening here for them to access the grains. We are now on our 2nd room. And this room used to be grain storage as well, but unlike the first room, they store the grains using these baskets. So now for the museum, they have converted this into the loom room, wherein they do the weaving of the textiles. So here you can see the different dyes that they use, the pigments for the different colors. So this is for the color red, color yellow, blue, and red again. They also have synthetic dyes, and these are the different yarns that are produced with these colors. Here is the horizontal frame loom, and this is an interesting part here. This is also a loom, but the way you do it is different. So our guide was saying that you have to stand to maintain the tension, and then you start weaving. They call it backstrap/card loom. So we're now going up, and you can see the stairs. It's a very steep set of stairs. It's very steep, and the steps are very narrow. Wow. Okay. There. Okay. Alright, so this is a grain silo and a grain dispensing portal. And let's just see, there's stairs here. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, there's another set of stairs, and it's basically just storage. Yeah. So we are now going to enter the most exciting part of this house, which everyone uses. Come here. So this is their toilet, and it has a cover, and then you can poop. Actually, there's just a hole, and that hole goes to the ground. And what they do after they defecate, they will just cover it with pine leaves, and then later on they will be using it as fertilizers for their farms. Let me demonstrate to you how they do it in the olden times. So first you lift the hole. Maybe I'll just put it here, and then you sit down and you concentrate so hard. And then once you're done, you're gonna use this stick. What they do is they used to swipe like this one time, and then swipe another. So you put it like that, swipe once, and then swipe another one. And I think they throw it also in the hole. I hope they do. And that's it. Alright, so this is how you go down these very steep stairs. Have to be very careful. And this is how a local does it. Piece of cake! The Ogyen Choling Manor, built in 1898, is a historic cultural site, with its origin going back to the 14th century. The central tower of the manor was converted to become the first private museum in Bhutan, which was opened in 2001. The Ogyen Choling Heritage House is an ideal place for guests interested in the history and culture of Bhutan, guests who appreciate the special setting with the calming spiritual ambience and the solitude off the beaten track. We spent more than an hour inside the museum and were fascinated at how the aristocrats lived during that time. It's 12:39 in the afternoon and we just finished our tour. And I believe we're gonna go on a picnic with this amazing view of the mountains. I think these are local peach blossoms there. And it's kind of cold and chilly, but it's really a nice experience. All right, after a very short drive, we're gonna go on a picnic, and I'm welcomed by these two lovely people back there. And it's a nice view of the mountains. There's also a river or a stream on that side, and there are bees. This is the picnic situation here. There's a black dog, or there's two black dogs nearby, and a lot of crows. We're on a picnic.
Chili
Wow,
cheese.
more chili.
Dried red cheese. Chili.
We're just here eating our lunch, and we have a nice view and a lot of friends. We have a lot of dog friends and crow friends, and you can hear the water running along the stream or maybe river. And it's also a bit windy. There are prayer flags near our picnic mat. The food is good. I'm happy we're having protein. We're having chicken. We just had an amazing lunch here with this view, and you can see there's also a suspension bridge. It's 2:44 in the afternoon and we have now reached the stop for the burning lake. So now we are almost there at the burning lake. So we are now here at the burning lake, which is one of the most sacred areas here in Bumthang. And there's a story about Terten Pemalingpa. Terten means discoverer and Pemalingpa is the name. He went into the lake carrying a burning butter lamp, and as soon as he surfaced, with him are different treasures like scriptures and scrolls, and the butter lamp was still burning. So that's why this was called the burning lake. So from this view, I'm actually like inside a small cave, and I can see the prayer flags. and also the burning lake. You can hear the sound of the water flowing down, and this is a good spot for meditation, just connecting to nature and connecting to yourself and just meditating with the fantastic and calming view of the burning lake. That was a very peaceful and serene experience to just go to the burning lake and listen to the sound of the waters and take your time to meditate and reflect. The burning lake is just a short hike down from the parking area, and you can easily spend a lot of time here if you would like to do some meditation and some reflection. It's 4:17 p.m. and we have arrived here at the Swiss cheese factory in Bumthang. So let's see what we can find here. We're going inside the cheese factory to learn how they make Swiss cheese here in Bumthang. It's dark.
This one is the hot water storage, okay? Milk here. Okay. So they will stay here, wrapped with this clean piece of cloth here. They will put inside this one.
Going to the cheese cellar.
Cheese cellar. First they have to soak in the water here. So they will remove this one and they will keep here. So they have to store here for 2 months or wash every day.
We are at the Swiss cheese factory and I'm here with my alcohol-loving friends, and we're gonna try 2 different drinks. So we're gonna try this Bhutan honey wine there, and there's another bottle, and I think that's the apple cider, and we're gonna eat Swiss cheese.
I think that's a powder.
Howda? It smells good. Actually good with wine and some chips.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Everybody
Cheers.
eating.
Cheers. Nice.
It's
That is
so
nice.
good.
That's very nice.
Cheers.
Cheese cheers.
It's very, very light.
This one has a very mild
Mild.
smell.
Yeah, mild smell.
It's a very mild taste. I think it's a young cheese.
I like the texture.
I'll try the other one.
This one has a lot of
this-
holes.
Not holes, mean?
Also, this one is mild.
This has more flavor, a little more
But the-
flavor
the
than the
smell
first
is,
one.
and smell stronger as well.
Yeah,
Does it smell
but
so
still
good?
light cheese. I like this one better.
Yeah, me too.
Are these potatoes? It's good.
Well,
It's a bit on the oily side, but I like it.
Yeah, it's a good thickness.
Okay, so we will just enjoy our alcohol and the cheese and the chips, and we'll see you later. After a lovely dinner prepared by Valley Lodge Bumthang, we strolled around town and ate ice cream to end the day. It's so cold and we're eating ice cream. I don't know about these guys.
Cheers!
Cheers!